everybody, welcome back to Truly Artrageous. You know, last weekend my family and I were watching Disney's Raya and the Last Dragon. And in that movie, there's a really cool looking dragon called Sisu. So I thought it'd be a cool idea to draw that today. And that's what we're gonna do. But before we get into our drawing, I wanted to let everybody know, in case you don't know already, every Monday and Thursday, we're gonna be posting brand new videos right here on the channel. So be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, and slap that bell. And that way too, you'll be helping us reach our subscriber goal of 1,200 for the month of March. But enough of that. Let's get into drawing Sisu the dragon. So let's get started on our drawing of Sisu. So for this one, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're gonna need your drawing utensil. That can be a marker like I'm using, or you can use a crayon or a pencil, whatever's most comfortable for you. And then over here, I've got the color palette for Sisu. Feel free to use these colors, or if you have different colors that work better, use those. Also, if I'm going too fast in this drawing, feel free to press pause or rewind. I want you guys to be as comfortable as possible while you're drawing, because it's all about having a good time. So for our first step, we're gonna draw the center of Sisu's face. So that's gonna start right here. We're gonna draw a line down like this. And then that line is actually, let me straighten my paper there. That line is going to curve out like this. And then it's gonna go around and down like that. Next step, we're gonna draw Sisu's chin and the back of her jaw. So we're gonna make a little bit of a line there. We're gonna come down like this and up like that. And we're gonna carry this line over all the way back here. And then it is going to make a curved line out and around like that. Next, we're going to draw the side and top of her head. So that's gonna be a diagonal line up like this. Get that going actually a little bit further. Then it's going to be almost a horizontal line like this to about there. Then we're gonna put in a U shape, and this will represent the bottom end of her horn. Then we'll go ahead and draw the other side of the face. So that's going to be a line down like this. It's gonna get a little bit straighter here, and then it's gonna curve out and around and down like that. Okay, next we're gonna complete Sisu's nose here. So that's gonna start right over here. It's just gonna be a little tiny curved line like this. And then we're gonna put in her nostrils. So they're kind of straight on the bottom, and then they're a little bit bumpy on top. So you can kind of use, if you're using a marker, you can almost just dot it. And it's the same thing on this side, flat, and then a little bit of a dot. Next, we're gonna draw Sisu's mouth. So that starts here, and we're gonna pull a line just a little bit down, and then it's gonna come up. So she almost has a frown, but then it's gonna go down, and then we're gonna pull the line up into a nice happy smile. And we'll add a smile line here too. All right, next we're gonna draw Sisu's eyes. So that's gonna start right here. There's a big space in between her eyes because of, I guess, the way dragons are constructed. So it's gonna start right here. It's gonna be a curve up like this, down, and then up to indicate her eyelash. And then we're gonna do a U shape on the bottom here. And that's gonna pull back up into like that. Into like that? I don't know. I can't talk today. Okay, and then we'll just add a little bit of line here just to give that eyelash look. Then we'll move over here, and we wanna watch this area here to make sure that our eyes are not way up here or way down here. So I'm just gonna pretend that there's an invisible line right there. I'm gonna come down a little bit, and I'm gonna curve a line up and over like that. So same thing that we did on this side, but this is gonna pop outside of the face because the eyelash actually can be seen on the side of the face. Then we're going to complete the eye. We're gonna curve a line down and under like this, and then come back up a little bit. Next, we'll add Sisu's eyebrows. So those are gonna start right here, just a straight line over like this. And then there's a little down piece like that. Same thing on this side, over like this, and you don't have to draw the downside because you can't see it. Next, we'll draw Sisu's irises and pupils. So that's gonna just be some circles inside the eye, like this. Gonna start here, all the way around, like this. And then there's the pupil on the inside. So just a circle, like this. And then we'll color it in a bit, but not all the way, so that we have that point of light. So we'll do the same thing on this side. We'll add the iris and pupil. So that's gonna start right here. You're gonna curve a line out and down like so. And then the eye pupil goes right here. And then we're gonna color that in a bit like we did on the other side, so that we have that point of light, that reflection. All right, next step, we're gonna draw Sisu's horn, or horns, I should say, because she's got 2 of them. So that's gonna start right here. We are going to pull a line all the way back up like this. So kind of a shark fin. And then we're gonna pull that down to about here. There's a little bit of space here for the hair to come out. So just stop right there. And then there's the second one right here. It's just gonna go up, same kind of thing, shark fin. And then it's gonna come down and stop right there. So leave room for the hair. All right, next we're going to draw Sisu's hair. So her hair is really super fluffy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw just some sketchy little lines. If those are too difficult for you to do, feel free to just draw a straight line all the way around and down like I'm going to do with my sketchy lines. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna draw some sketchy lines like this. All the way out. And it doesn't have to look perfect at all. You can see mine are like touching each other and doing all kinds of funky things. So we're just gonna keep pulling those down like this. And then it kind of flares out over here. So we're just gonna keep flaring those out like that. All the way down, because she's got kind of a long neck because she's a dragon. All the way down to about here. Then we're gonna come up over on the other side. We're gonna start here, and we're just gonna keep doing those sketchy little lines. Keep them going. Next, we're gonna draw the hair in her neck area. So it kind of sweeps this direction, but then pulls back this direction. So I'll show you what I mean. We're going to start here. We're gonna pull one line down like this, and then we're just gonna add those sketchy little lines. They're gonna go out this direction, but right here, they're gonna start to turn and come back down like that. All right, and there's your line work completed for Sisu the dragon. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, you know guys, I really like telling dad jokes. Sometimes he even laughs. All right, let's move on to our coloring steps, and we'll do that as quickly as a dragon flies through the sky, starting now. All right, there's your fully colored Sisu from Raya and the Last Dragon. If you guys haven't seen that movie, it's great. Go check it out. I highly recommend it. All right, I hope you guys also had a lot of fun drawing this. I know I did. This is a great character. Don't forget to go and subscribe to the channel. Remember, we're trying to reach 1,200 for the month of March. Don't forget to spread the word about Truly Artrageous and tell everybody how much fun you're having on the channel. And don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.